Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Choptank River to near Taylor's Island, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.